Hi guys! In this video, you're gonna learn how to post longer Instagram Reels. To post longer Instagram Reels, you can follow this instruction. First, open your Instagram account or application, then log into your account, and then in here, tap the plus sign at the bottom center, and then tap Reels, and start to record your video. So just wait for it. If you need more than 60 seconds, you can record multiple clips and then edit them together. To do this, tap on the record button again and start your uh, record here. So tap edit clips and then tap add clips and tap the record button. So you can see here that the video clip is longer than 60 seconds. Well, why making it longer? Making longer Instagram Reels can be beneficial in a few ways. First, more content. Longer Reels provide you with more time to showcase your content, creativity, and ideas. This allows you to share more details, provide more context, and tell a more complete story. It also increases engagement. Instagram's algorithm tends to favor long form content, so posting longer reels could help boost your engagement levels. Additionally, longer videos may encourage viewers to spend more time on your profile, which can increase your overall visibility and more room for creativity. Yes, longer reels give you more opportunity to experiment with different styles and techniques such as incorporating special effects, transitions, and audio elements. This can help you stand out from the crowd and create more unique and engaging content. Also, you can showcase your expertise. Longer reels can provide you with more time to demonstrate your expertise in a particular area or industry. This can help you build credibility and authority with your followers, which can lead to more engagement and potential more business opportunities. Also, diversify your content. By creating longer reels, you can diversify your content and provide your follower with a different type of context experience. This can help you appeal to a wider audience and keep your followers' engagement over the long term. Also, you can tell a story. Longer reels can be effective way to learn to tell a more complete and compelling story. By using multiple clips and incorporating different elements such as a text overlays and music, you can create a more immersive and engagement experience for your viewers. So that's how to post longer Instagram Reels. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button, and also you can click the notification bell to notify you to our next tutorial. Thanks for watching.